Just a quick T-Mobile home internet update for you guys. Another great article from the T-Mo report. I will leave it in the description down below. New firmware rolling out for T-Mobile's Nokia home internet gateway. So the most recent one that most of you should now have is the 1609. So now they are updating the firmware to 0338. So I've had it for about 4 days. Now this is happening over the air. So this is happening in the background automatically. You won't even notice it. So I've had it for about 4 days, and the experience for me stayed and remained the same as it was on 1609. So I've been testing ping time, speeds, quality of streaming, gaming has remained the same. But I've been reading on the Reddit forum for home internet. People have insane issues with this new firmware update. People are saying the connection is no longer stable. Some are saying now it randomly drops the connection from the N41 down to the N71, and it's a huge drop in performance. Some are saying they're having issues with the IP address. It's just, I'm checking and reading, and it's like, whoa, I'm not experiencing these same issues. So I wanted to ask you guys on the channel if you've had any issues with this new firmware update. Maybe you didn't even know that there was a new firmware update. So let me know if you check in the system or on the app and see if you've had this new update and for how long. If you're able to check on a computer or a tablet, it'll tell you how long you've had the update or since it's been updated. So I've seen some say that they're getting replacement units again. And I mean, that just seems to be the fix right now for T-Mobile for anything tech related, because you really can't send a technician out to the house. What are they going to check? Then, they're just going to do troubleshooting steps such as rebooting, resetting. You can do all of that yourself. So they're just sending replacement units. In some cases, people are getting credits. And that seems to be the steps of T-Mobile fixing and trying to figure out solutions. I don't see myself replacing my unit again. I seem to kind of have struck gold with my unit. It hasn't been overheating, hasn't been giving me any issues. So I don't see myself changing or upgrading, if that's even a possibility in the future, to a device that can make use of standalone aggregation. That's when I would like to upgrade again. But I would like it to be a device that aggregates N41, not the N71, N41 aggregation. I'm talking about several channels of N41, because that will, of course, likely bring a speed boost across the board if there's additional channels of N41 going into the capacity. So again, let me know in the comment section down below if you've had the new firmware, or if you have the new firmware, and if you've had any issues. Like I said, I haven't had any issues with mine. I've had it for 4 days now, and it's been working. It's been working the same as 1609. Now, could there be issues that I run into? Sure. If I do, of course, I will let you guys know. But again, just wanted to briefly update you guys and let you know there is a new firmware update. Let me know if you have any issues. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to the channel. Follow the social media outlets for more updates and interactions. Thanks again for watching. This is Tyrone with Tech Life. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.